For my project, I will be making an Onager, which is a torching catapult. The history of these catapults dates back to the Roman Empire. These catapults originally threw objects using a sling and were later used a bucket system. It's a siege weapon used to launch heavy projectiles. The most common projectiles used were rocks and dead animals that could cause disease. It was used in a fixed location, such as a boat, or rolled around on land. Its main purpose was to destroy large objects such as a wall. Today I will be explaining how I built the catapult and demonstrate how to use it. First, I started by making the frame out of 2x4 pieces of wood. The dimensions of the frame are 3 feet by 1.5 foot. After the frame was completed, I laid out the rest of the catapult and how I would build it. Next, I constructed a stop for the arm of the catapult. Once the arm was in place, then I had to install the supports for the stop. Then I added the feet to the frame and cut out the holes for the rope, which I'll explain later. Then I hollowed out the piece of the frame so that the catapult arm could be retracted. Next came the process of adding the torsion system, which consisted of only using rope. First, I fed the rope through the arm a few times. Then I weaved the rope on both sides of the arm several times. Initially, I twisted the pegs in an opposite direction, which equaled out the force and did not create tension. To fix this, I twisted the pegs counterclockwise away from the arm in order to create an upwards force. At this point, the catapult was almost complete. Next was making the locking system, which was made from an old door latch. The door latch was secured using zip ties and screws. Finally, I secured a ladle to the arm to be used as a bucket. This completed the design of my catapult. Now I will explain how to use the catapult. First, you pull the arm down, which will create even more force and even more tension. Then I secured the latch to the arm. Next, place an ammunition in the bucket. And finally, release the latch and watch it fly. Here are some of the models and sketches I have that I started out with to plan out how I would build it.
Go.